Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.